I passed NCLEX Next Gen with ReMar V2. My name is Cyrus O'Neill, and I would like to thank Regina and Mark for this wonderful content they have created. And I gave my exam on 12th of this month and I passed at 83 questions. I was amazed at how I was able to remember the things that I've studied. I did this postpartum. I delivered in November and I started studying in the mid of December. I bought the course because I saw the ad for ReMar review, and the content was really helpful to refresh my case. I am a foreign educated nurse, so it was kind of a refresher to learn the laws and things they do in US. I was not able to complete my quick facts, but I went through it and I covered all the important topics, and some things that I did was highlight them and study them, and this was something that I could always refer back to. This has really helped me in my studies, and I tell all my friends who are thinking of giving the exam and my sisters that they should use this ReMar V2, as it is very knowledgeable and it is helpful. A lot of people told me that they were able to pass with the UWorld, but I did not go for them because I wanted to study something and focus more on content and not on questions, because I knew once I finish the content I can go for questions. The questions in V2 are really difficult in a sense that they really test your knowledge, but they have been helpful in helping me, and I took CAT once so I can evaluate myself. And once I passed the CAT test, I booked for my exam and I went for it, and I had faith because this platform is really about faith, and I believe that Jesus Christ has helped me in deciding to go for this course. And I cannot thank Regina enough, and her encouragement and all the time she takes out for us to study, live sessions and a lot of things. Her content is really nice, and I would encourage all of you who are thinking of getting V2. It's an investment in yourself, and I would request you to take that leap. Thank you so much, Regina and Mark, and all the best to all the people who will take the exam. Thank you.